Hi, welcome to the CodezBuzz, and in this video we'll learn the break statement, continue statement and comment statement in Java. How much the important of these statements in Java and programming. Actually, this is happening when if you have the finding something and you can don't execute a lot that much of part, then you can use the break statement. The break statement used for that purpose. If you know I just there is lots of data, but I need that much amount of data, then you will be use the break statement. When the break statement is encountered inside a loop, the loop is immediately terminated. The program control resume at the next statement of following the loop. The Java break statement is used to break the loop. A switch statement, it is break the current flow of the program. Specified condition in case the inner loop is break only inner loop. That is means if you don't need to another part, only if you find this part and you can jump from the another part, then it will be use the break statement. When if you I just remember there is if in switch cases there is break statement. If there we just remove the break statement, then it will print all of things. Like that I just go for the switch statement then switch statement. There is break condition is applied. If I just remove the break, I just comment out these things. I just run these things. There is all of these things na. When I just put the case 4, then I just print the all of these are printed. This one is printed, then again this one is printed. If break is not used, then it will be everything will be printed. So that's why we use the break statement. If there is no break statement, then it will printed all of these things. If case is equal to 4, when case is equal to 4, then case 4 5 6 7 unnecessary data is coming. So that's why it will be used for break statement to avoid the unnecessary data. So I just go for here, and there is the break statement. Here is the break statement. Things like that is a normal program. The program I take here. Okay. See, I just create and create. Okay, I just finish it and come into the new page. There is sorry uh, break statement. Then which I just print these things here. If there is a okay. Breaking the loop is breaking because of if you print these things, it will be print the whole 1 to 10. If I equal to 5, then break will be applied. Then where I equal to 5, then it will be print the then it will stop the printing of something error. Instead then I just close this one, close this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, I just missed some command. So okay, it will be semicolon error. Then it will be 1 2 3 4. After 5 it will be stop. If it is continue, then it will be print stop the 4, then print after 5. Sorry, this will be happen and stop this execution after 5. After when he 5, then it will be stop the execution, and it will be exist the flow control loop. That's why the break statement is applied, and that's why break is used for stop the loop. So then we come from the continue statement. In continue statement also there is lots of things, like continue statement used to control structure when need the jump the next iteration of the loop immediately. If you want from here to after 4 I will execute it, after 5 I will be executed, like that. There is 1 2 3 4 is printing. After that it will be stop in break statement. In continue statement 1 2 3 4 is stop, then 5 6 7 8 is executed. That's why the continue statement is used, and that's why it will be run. The loop while loop the it can use with the for loop while loop. We can use for loop while loop. If there is unnecessary data, you can don't print these things, then you can use continue loop. Continue statement, the Java continue statement is used to continue the loop. It continue the current flow of the program and skip the remaining code at the specified condition. In case of an inner loop, it continue the inner loop, then it will only continue the inner loop. The outer loop is executed. That's why it will be happen. Then there is a statement. I just copy and paste it here. Sorry, there is okay. See, then I just here only I just paste here, because there is B. I think one extra is come. Then it will happen. Then here is print 1 to 10. Then if I equal to 5, then I just continue the execution, then print I. That means it will be happen, it will be happen, it only to continue 1 2 3 4, then skip the 5, skip the 5. That means it is skip this 5 and again continue that way. It will be happen like that way. So you use the continuous statement for that way. And another way it will be happen for a lot of things you can use. You can go, you can search and you can learn more about the continue. When you have a go for the critical logic, critical things, you can use the these things break continue. That's for needful for you. So you can go for the comment statement like that way. You can understanding purpose that way. You can use comment statement also an useful statement for the programming. If you have a written something in code, you can comment it out why you use these things, why you use this for coding. That's why it will be helpful in your future. And if you read another coders programmer course, then you can understand easily what will be written in here. So this is useful for you. So you just do continue watching our video and do the subscribe for our channel.